I didn't want to buy an iPad Pro because I already own a regular iPad, but with the recent release of iPad Pro 2020, I thought it's time to get the older version of iPad Pro, which is the 2018 model, at a cheaper price. I did manage to get my hands on one. Unfortunately, after waiting for about 2 weeks, I was told by the seller that he ran out of stock and I could get the 2020 model instead. I ended up getting none from this guy and I decided to get the 2020 model straight from the Apple store. So that's a pretty long introduction there. Anyway, on my first impression, when I first unboxed this, my first thought was how sexy is this device. I just love the slim look of it. I own the iPad 10.2 with Logitech keyboard and the first gen Apple Pencil, which I'm using in the office. Although the 10.2 iPad is still considered new, I decided to go ahead and purchase the latest iPad Pro because I wanted the Apple Pencil 2, which I have read that it gives good writing experience. For those who don't know, Apple Pencil 2 is not compatible with iPad 10.2. Speaking about writing experience, I find that the Apple Pencil 2 with the iPad Pro gives more of a paper pen experience. I know some of you will say no, but for me it does. Coming from an iPad 10.2 user with the first gen Apple Pencil, the difference is quite significant. The tick sound when you write on the screen of an iPad is far less on the Pro than on the 10.2 version. My handwriting on the iPad Pro is so much better than on the 10.2, probably because of the Apple Pencil Gen 2 has a different shape than the first gen. I did try writing with the first gen pencil, but I did not enjoy the writing experience as much as I like with the second gen pencil on my iPad Pro. This is a crucial factor for me because I attend lots of meetings in which I write down lots of meeting minutes and also notes. So I am a very particular person in which I prefer my handwritings to be beautiful. So with the Apple Pencil first generation, I can't accomplish that. But with the second gen Apple Pencil, my writing is beautiful and I have received a lot of compliments because of that. So this device paired with the Smart Folio keyboard definitely gives a more professional look when I walk into a meeting room. I mean, most of the attendants bring a notebook and a pen, but I bring in my slim iPad Pro. I can fold it and start taking notes immediately. And I can also unfold it and look for some information on the internet when I need some reference during the meeting. All of my meeting minutes are in one place thanks to GoodNotes. I can refer quickly any past meeting minutes or notes easily and in less than 10 seconds. I'm very sure with a regular notebook, you end up carrying many notebooks if you want to reference something from the past. I like to watch iPad Pro while I'm running on my treadmill. With the Pro speaker, I don't need to wear any headset because the speaker is definitely loud compared to my 10.2, which the sound is not clear due to the loud sound caused by the treadmill. The display is very pleasing to my eye, and this is one of the reasons why I've still not applied any screen protector yet. I want to install matte screen protector because the screen attracts so many fingerprints and it makes my iPad look kind of dirty. I'm still contemplating whether or not I should install a screen protector because the matte one which I've installed my iPad 10.2 made the screen look kind of blurry and I didn't like it at all. What do you guys think? Leave your comment below. Priced at $799 for lower spec model, I decided to get the 256 GB Wi-Fi model because I wanted more storage iPad. I needed the storage because I'm planning to do video editing on this device, so I may require the extra storage in the device itself to store the raw footage of my recordings. Speaking of editing video, I did find that the iPad Pro does perform slightly better than the 10.2 when I edit my videos. If you are thinking of getting an iPad Pro and budget is concerned, maybe you can get the iPad Pro with the 128 GB Wi-Fi version because it's the cheapest and the 128 GB storage is sufficient, unless you are in a profession which requires lots of storage. Even then, you can always get an external storage which is so much cheaper than paying extra cost for the iPad Pro with higher storage. So those are my thoughts on the iPad Pro. If you have any questions or doubts on this device or its accessories, just drop a comment in the box below and I will get back to you. Please click the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to show your support to a small YouTuber like me, as it means a lot to me. Thank you for watching and have a productive day. Bye!